this world.
We go in, out, doors, love. Maybe you will stop, strike, goes. When I'm with you, everything goes. Come and put that on my soul. Robbie, clown, wrist, project, down on the way home.
Damn, bounce on that shit, 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 no hands, bounce on that shit, damn, bounce on that shit, damn, bounce on that shit, damn, bounce on that shit, no hands.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's girl Lisa Tendra and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, my name is Lima Tendra. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, doll. So guys, today is actually such a special day. I am going to the cabins for the first time and I'm having such a great time. Like, I'm so happy. So I will be taking you guys through with me during this a few days stay in the cabins, and I'll be showing you guys the content, okay? And I look so cute. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day when I get there, because I'm already on the way now. But we had to stop at Spa to get a few things, and then yeah, we're actually on our way now. It's like 1 hour away from Cape Town. Yeah, so we'll probably get there like around 6-ish or 7, I don't know, but yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Anyways, bye guys, we'll see you guys later.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on look daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. No, now, just do it now. Oh yeah. When that nigga pull up on me, tell that nigga back. Don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got
So guys, we just arrived. Quick cabinet, and I'm so excited. It looks so beautiful. The view up, it's so nice. I'm just so happy. Oh my goodness, guys, Zini, can you just see? Like, kunjani? I'm so happy. This is so cute. I look absolutely cutie, and the place is nice and cute. It's so quiet, it's so peaceful, but there's no network. Akho network sana. Kuthe mncwe. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Let me just show you guys how it looks inside. So this is the kitchen, and then this is like a lounge where you guys can chill. Let me just quickly show you guys outside. The view is so nice. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. This is how it looks like outside. They have like these pillows, and this is how it looks like, the view. They also have like a fireplace. Yeah, well, it's really nice. I like it. So they also have a jacuzzi. This is how it looks like. It's really nice. This is what they have on the table. Wine glass. I think this is a wine. They have placed everything so beautifully. Love it. And obviously this is like sink, lena. They have a dishwasher for the. They have like a coffee station on the side. Nice kettle, so cute. They have this little tea coffee station. They also have the spoons, paper towel. Everything is just so cute. It's so nice. Even the artwork on the walls, really good. Love it. They also have a fan and a heater. Then they also, this is our room. So cute. Love it. Very nice. Let me just feel this blanket. Ooh, so nice. Ishushu san. This is their bathtub. Very nice. And then they have like tampons here, Panado, and get London. Then they also have like first aid kit. This is how their sink looks like. Toilets. Their shower. So nice. I love it. And then this is how it looks like a view from the bathroom. So cute. Love it.
This one I grab you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't think we're bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are gone, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to another way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You know, tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. We got tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are gone. All the men, they catch it, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone. All the men, they catch it, ride the whip, I no feet. Oh no, I now.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space for that.
Hey guys, it's a new day into the vlog. Today is a Monday. It's in the morning. The time is 8:42. The time is 8:42, and it's just chilling. Nothing much. When I tell you guys there's no network here, I can't even log in my student intranet. I wanted to look at something here scholar with, but I think later on, it's around 10ish. We're gonna take a drive until we get a network so that I can log into my student portal, so I can just open the Discord. But otherwise, it's so nice, guys. It's so quiet. The only thing that you can hear are Zindaka, that's all. Like, it's just the best vibes ever. You're just chilling. The only thing that you see is mountains, is like cabins, it's a river, it's birds. Like, it's so peaceful, guys. I love it here. But the only problem about this place is that there is no network. There's no network at all. So yeah, but I'll just keep you guys updated about everything. Because I'm doing the phone submit again, 12 midnight. So I need to do it and submit it. Anyways, I'm having a great time. So I'm gonna see the guys later on in the afternoon. So right now I'm going to make some breakfast. I want to first do a pancakes. So I'm gonna use this. They have this bowl and eggs. So yeah, man, but I'm gonna make breakfast. It's gonna look so yummy.
be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, say your dad know like me, see me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tell you for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make me tell me with this all thing, all big gone. I never tell you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in gone. I'm gonna watch it every day. I'm gonna get I want make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no. Come on and take me where you wanna go. Please just make it a place that I don't know. What we have here is for sure. We don't hide 'cause you all just gotta know. We can party through the night. With you here, I surely am alright. I know you like it. So baby, don't be shy. Bringing out my inner child. This is a soul cafe. Welcome everybody. It comes in your body. It's not just a party. This is a soul cafe. Let go of your
back from Ekarajobo. We had to look for a place that has network because I had to submit my assignment. So I submitted and I'm done with it. And yeah, we're going back to a place now so that we can chill in the jacuzzi, just have great vibes. If you have a small car, so because indlela sana ineziging. Anyways guys, I'm having fun. And then also we had to look for like a small shop, a garage, to actually get a few stuff that we actually needed. Payana, which is water and fire starters, and we also got ourselves some lollipops, ice lolly. Yes, ice lollies. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm having fun.